In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel and reactivate subscriptions Microsoft 365 Admin Center. We'll walk through exactly where to click in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center so you can confidently cancel a subscription or bring one back when you need it. You'll want to be signed in with an account that has the right admin permissions, such as billing or global admin. Start by signing in to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Once you're on the home page, look to the left navigation and open the billing area. From there, choose your products. This page lists all the subscriptions available to your organization, along with their status and billing details. Find the subscription you want to change and open the More Actions menu, often shown as 3 dots next to the product name. If you want to end the subscription, select Cancel Subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm. This option is best when you're sure you no longer need the service. If you prefer to let the current term finish and avoid future charges, choose Edit Recurring Billing instead. In the recurring billing settings, select Cancel on Expiration, then save your changes. This turns off auto renew, so the subscription will remain active until the end of its paid period, and then it will stop renewing automatically. It's a good option if you want uninterrupted service until your term naturally ends. Now, to reactivate a subscription, head back to billing and your products. Use the filter to show inactive or expired items so you can quickly find the subscription you want to bring back. Select that subscription to open its details. In the subscription status or billing settings section, click Reactivate. At this point, you may be asked to verify your credit card or choose a different payment method if the one on file has expired or failed. Complete the verification or payment change as needed, then click Reactivate to finalize. After reactivation, give the system a few minutes to restore full access. It's a good idea to double check your next billing date and confirm that licenses and assignments look correct for your users. If you don't see the reactivate option, make sure you're looking under the inactive or expired filters and that you have the proper admin role. And if your payment method isn't accepted, updating it first usually resolves the issue quickly. That's it. Now you know how to cancel a Microsoft 365 subscription immediately, turn off auto renew at the end of the term, and reactivate a subscription right from the admin center